Hello students, today we are going to study third numerical of previous year gate question. Question is given as the activity details of a project are given below, that is shown here. Now the estimated minimum time in days for the completion of the project will be. Now we have to determine the estimated minimum time for the completion of the project. Now here activity is shown, here the relationship that is depends on is shown, and in the last column the duration of the activity is shown in days. Now we will draw the network. Now activity P does not depends on any activity, so we will mark the activity P just like this, that is the activity P. Now Q and T both depends on P, so we will mark the activity Q just like this and activity T just like this. Now activity U and R both will depends on Q and T, so we have to finish the activity T just like this on this event, and from this we have to take two activities, that is R here and U here, just like this. This is event 5 and this is event 6. Now activity S will depends on activity R, so we will mark activity S just like this, that is activity S, and activity V will depends on activity U, so we will mark the activity V just like this, that is the activity V, and this is the final event, that is event 7. Now we will mark the duration of each activity just below the activity arrow, that is 6 here, 15 here, 10 here, 14 here. Similarly for R, the time will be 12, which is shown here. For S, it will be equals to 16, which is shown here, and for V, it will be equals to 16, which is shown here. Now for finding the estimated minimum time of the project completion, we have to compute the value of TE, that is the earliest expected time. So for event 1, TE will be equals to 0, which is shown here. Now for event 2, it will be equals to 0 plus 6, that is 6, which is shown here. Now for event 3, it will be equals to 6 plus 10, which will be equals to 16, which is shown here. Now for event 4, it will be equals to 16 or 6 plus 15, that is 21. Now we have to take the maximum value, so TE for event 4 will be equals to 21. Now for event 6, TE will be equals to 21 plus 14, which will be equals to 35. Similarly for event 5, it will be equals to 21 plus 12, which will be equals to 33, which is shown here. Now for event 7, it will be equals to 33 plus 16, which will be equals to 49, and from event 6, it will be equals to 35 plus 16, which will be equals to 51. So TE will be equals to 51 because it is the maximum of the two values. So minimum completion time of this project will be equals to 51 days. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.